Hello,
Hey, this is Connie.
this is Connie.
Hi, Connie. This is Tyler Osborne. Was just giving you a quick call because I seen it looked like maybe at one point you was looking to sell your place on Soners. Didn't know if you still were.
Uh, that place is, somebody keeps calling about that. I don't know who keeps doing that. Um, that place is probably all fallen in. We haven't been there in I don't know how many years. The property is for sale. Um, it probably just needs to be bulldozed over. I don't even know what it looks like. There may be trees falling on it. I don't know.
Yeah. um. Okay. I mean, what would you be looking to get for it?
I, I told my husband the other day maybe 5,000.
Okay. Yeah. Do you happen to know? Well, let me see. I'm trying to find it here for you. I was going to say the lot size. Um. Looks like what? Maybe I don't know, 3/4 of an acre, maybe. Does that sound about
Uh,
right?
I don't know. I don't have the paperwork in front of me. I'm not at home right now. I am not real sure. Everything should be on the whatever website you guys look at.
Yeah.
I don't really know a whole lot about it. My husband probably has the paperwork in his office.
Okay. Um.
We would just like to get rid of it.
Yeah. I totally get it. Tired of paying taxes on it and all that. I agree.
It's not that much. It's not. We just want to get rid of it just because we're not there. We bought it years ago. Thought when we lived in Florida, we thought we would travel up to Portsmouth to spend time with family, but things are all gone now. That we've not been there in I don't know how many years, and we just don't have the time to do anything with it. We wanted to turn it into a log cabin.
Yeah. Where you guys live at then?
We live in Cincinnati.
Oh, okay. Okay, nice. Yeah, I'm about an hour south of Columbus and near Chillicothe.
Okay.
Yeah,
He
so
has a brother, Chillicothe,
oh really? Who's that?
Tom Cornwell.
Never I don't know him. I didn't know it's small world and even smaller town. So,
Yeah.
um, but I mean, yeah, I mean, I would take it at 5,000, for sure. So, but there is well, you don't know, I guess. There's probably a place there that needs bulldozed though.
More than likely, the whole house needs bulldozed over. I don't even know what it even looks like. When we had it, we bought it from his dad, and then like I said, our whole plan was to turn into a log cabin and be our getaway when we come up from Florida. But we had at one time let his brother live there when he was going through a divorce, and I had let another friend live there when he was homeless, and we let another lady live there for a while, and she trashed it, and nobody lived in it after that.
Mm.
So as far as I know now, it's probably all fallen in. The trees have probably fallen on it. There's property there. It'd be a nice place for a property. I mean, to build another house on. It's beautiful up on the hillside, and
Yeah, for sure. My computer's decided not to work, of course. Wait, maybe there it goes. Well, yeah, I think we could definitely do that. What would be a good email for you?
you could email bkcornwell at yahoo.com.
So B as in boy, K as in kettle, and then your last name Cornwell at yahoo.com.
It is.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, well, what I'll do then, well, once I get this computer to work here in a minute, I will send over an agreement to you. It's just very simple 2-page thing. Um, and then once I see you sign it, it'll come directly back to me, and then we'll just send it to the title company. Obviously, just make sure it's free and clear, and then we'll just go drive by it. I mean, there's nothing much to this one. Normally, we got to check the property out, but I mean, this one just, I guess, seeing how much we'll have to take out. But Then we're just waiting on title. It's very simple and easy process.
And where did you say you're calling from?
I'm in Chillicothe. Well,
Okay.
in between Chillicothe and Jackson. I'm probably an hour from Portsmouth, straight down 23.
Okay, and what's your name?
Tyler Osborne.
I've been getting calls like for the last several weeks on that about that property up there, and I keep feeling like it's a scam, and so I just don't give any information out. But then you don't sound like a scammer.
Oh yeah, I'm legit. I mean, if you want, we can FaceTime, walk you around the house, show you my kids, and we can do all that.
I mean, how did you find that the property?
Yeah, so for me, so this came over to me as a lead, which basically that means at some point or another, you'd either fill out a form or talk to someone. So those are probably the people you're talking about that you've been talking to. So then basically by the end of it, it gets to an actual real person like me that actually buys it.
Oh, really?
So that's probably kind of where that's coming from. So, but yeah, like I can send you over, I mean, more about me if you want, my Facebook and stuff.
Okay. All right. Yeah, that all will work because I get so scared of all these scammers and stuff like that. My husband works through the day, so he's usually in meetings all day long, but I can let him know that you are going to be sending over an email to him.
Yeah.
Now, how does all this work over the phone? Don't we have to go in person and do anything, or?
Nope. Luckily, nowadays it's all easy. You can go if you want to the title company in person, but so I'll send it over through. Are you familiar with like a DocuSign or Sign Now, or it's like
Brian is.
Yeah, so it's just like an electronical signature thing. So I'll sign it electronically. You'll sign it electronically. I'll send it to the title electronically, and then at some point they'll reach out to you and just see, do you want a check? Do you want it sent straight to your bank account? And they'll get that information from you. So yeah, I mean, I do a lot of deals, and so far this year I've only went to the title company one time, and I didn't even have to then. I just wanted to because it was here in Chillicothe, but because normally I don't. So I just wanted the experience.
Okay.
But yeah.
Have you drove by the place? Have you looked at it and see what kind of mess it's in or anything like that?
Not yet, but I will this week.
Okay. There's houses around it. My father-in-law used to live right down the road from it. It was his mother's home, and she passed away in her 80s or 90s, I think. And then, I mean, it's been in the family forever. So we just don't have the time to do anything with it.
Yeah, I understand. And I'm looking here. It looks like it's under Brian and Connie.
It is.
Okay, cool. Yeah, but I mean, you finally found me. You find the answer. You had to go through all them other calls, but you found me. So,
well, you found me.
Yeah. We found each other. But yeah, I'm getting this ready now. Like I said, it's very simple, 2 pages. I'm sending it to the email you said. Then once I see it come over, I'll go drive by her and send it to title. And then it depends on how long it takes them, but typically, I mean, it's done in 2-3 weeks.
Okay. All right. Sounds good.
Yep. And then I'll probably have my partner, Mo, reach out to you guys. He's the one that facilitates like the closings. I'm not very handy when it comes to all this technical paperwork and title companies. So luckily he does that for me. But yeah, sounds good. Should be pretty easy from here. I'll get that sent over. And then if he has any questions, feel free to call me.
All right. I guess if Brian has any say on anything that I just told you, I guess I'll have to let you know that. But I think he's good with it too.
Yeah. And this is my personal. You can text this number. You can call me here. I'm around most of the time, as long as my 4-year-old, he just turned 4 yesterday, as long as he lets me answer the phone. So.
Okay.
Sounds good though, Connie. We'll talk soon.
Thank you.
Bye.
Boom.
Well, I guess I'm done for the day.